the Dolphinarium, Dubai, UAE. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. It is with a lot of trepidation that I set out to the Dubai Dolphinarium, as I normally hate to see animals in captivity. But on reflection, I realized that interacting with such friendly mammals like dolphins will hopefully motivate the younger generation to protect marine life and the environment. Also, I am sure that for 99% of the audience, this would have been their first and last glimpse of this wonderful mammal. It's a 45-minute show, so I'm trying to cram it into a short video. So let's dive in with no further delay.
It's time for the one-day trio. And now, let's say the magical word. Open sesame. DJ, tell everybody, what is it? Fantastic. Let's get started by introducing to you the little baby dog. The other side is Flint the stockist, and one next to him is Mabel, and this is trainer Lydia. Now everybody put your hands in the air. It's time for a big hello and big welcome! Yes. Come on now! Yep. Love it. That's what I'm talking about. But wait. Well, come on, everybody. Get up your hands. Yup. All right. Introducing you the cutest little lady. His name is Thomas. Thomas is only 7 years old. This one. Round 3. Hold. Set. Fast and furious. Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Steve. Let the hunger begin. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Throw it out. Superman. His nickname, Superman. Check this out. Little Tom into it. Little Tom. Everybody keep your eyes on the middle ball hanging from the ceiling. What we're gonna show you now is irresistible. Superman! And now, my friends, I want you to focus and listen carefully for the real maestros of the ocean. The way they communicate is very unique. Responding. 1, 2, 1. Are you back with me? Superman. Come on, everybody, clap your hands! Check it out. Ocean. An average human can use 4% of his brain. But dolphins have the ability to use 20. So imagine all the creativity they have to create this masterpiece using the brush and the humans, different colors, different shapes. Now there are more than 42 different species and they are divided into two different families, the ocean dolphins and the river dolphins. The bottlenose come from the ocean dolphins family. Each one of them has his own identity, the same as we have our names. They can communicate with each other with sounds and even body language. All the sounds that we heard didn't come from the mouth, because dolphins don't have vocal cord. It came from the blowhole on top of their head. It is the same blowhole they breathe through. They are both mammals and they cannot breathe under the water, but they can hold their breath from 7 to 15 minutes. They can dive up to 260 meters in the ocean and jump up to 5-6 meters in the air. And that, are you kidding me? OMG! Now, come on everybody, let's cheer up! Look at the singing eyes. Look at the hand gestures. Look at the talent. So, oh yeah. Look at this! Push! I love it. Alright, yeah, good job. Look at this. Fly. And look at this. Fly. So I'm going to show you what it is. It is in the water. Come on everybody, clap your hands! Fantastic. Spin around. Spin around. And hold. Keep bending it. Keep it bending. And push! Yes, and everybody, let's give it a hit. Swim up to 45 kilometers an hour. They can jump in water. They can feed the rush. And like they know, Asian Phoenix from the ash. We rise! Oh, serious? That's why. Jump in water. Step 1. Control your neck. Step 2. And step 3 is just serve! Are you ready for the fire start? We the rockets, trainer with the astronaut, and together we have over outer space, my friends. It's time for a new exploration. And now, everything is ready. Checklist is completed. Control tower, are you ready for takeoff? Chancellor, underbar, in 1 and time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's give a big round of applause.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tell your friends about it.